This app is basically designed to book and manage appointments and the other stuff related to appointments. Here is the first look of our app. As you can see that we have focused a lot on the user interface to make it simple to use and attractive to look. Here is the menu bar to navigate to the other pages. We can also compress the bar. For booking an appointment, we should have locations, services, staff and customers configured. So here we are on our first page, locations. Here we can create, edit or delete locations. We are showing 50 records on every page of our app, and we have provided a facility of pagination to navigate through records if there are more than 50. We can also sort locations based on any header. We can search any location by its address. Coming to the second page, services. We can define services that our organization provides by clicking on the new button. We can also edit or delete services. We can fill all the details and can save the service. We can search for any specific service by its name. Next page is for resource and staff. We can define the providers for services based on their locations. We can create a new resource or staff by clicking on the new button. We can also delete or edit older records. We can click on the appointment link to view booked appointments for that particular resource or staff. Now we are on customer page. We can keep track of our customers from this page. We can create a new customer and can also delete and edit the older customers. We can also click on the appointment link to view the booked appointments for that customer. Here we come to one of the most important pages of a quick appointment, that is calendar page. We can view all the booked appointments in the calendar view. By default, upcoming, currently running, completed and declined appointments are displayed in pink, blue, green and red color respectively. We can also change the color of the appointments. We also get additional details about appointments by a tooltip whenever we place a mouse pointer over any appointment. We can add appointments from this page. There are two ways to add an appointment. One is by clicking on the Add Appointment button. We need to specify the location, service, resource and staff, and the start date. The other way is by clicking on any of the date on calendar. Here the start date comes filled automatically and we need to fill the other things by ourselves. We give 3 views, month view, week view, and day view to view appointments. We can click on the agenda button to view all appointments date-wise in a list view. We can click on any of the appointment and it display it in a day view. We can print the appointment as well. We also get instant notifications if new appointment is booked. Unread notifications are in a gray color and the red notifications are in white. We can also clear all the notifications by Clear All button. Here we come to the last page of our app, that is setting page. We can customize UI from this page. We can change the color of header, left panel as well as the color of logo. We can change the menu position as well. We can also change the color of calendar events like the upcoming event, running event, completed event and a declined event. We can also change what fields should we want to view in a tooltip. We can select from here and we can deselect from here. We can also save the changes. We have currently designed the application for administrative purposes. In the coming versions, we will also provide an interface by which the end users can also book their appointments. That's all for now. Thank you.